Good morning, guys. Happy Friday, and welcome to our math warm-up. As we get started today, make sure you start by putting your name on your document and then pull out a pencil and a piece of paper. We're going to be looking at the fact family, 8, 3, 24, addition, subtraction, a word problem, what an array looks like, and challenge problem. So the first thing we have is our 8 times 3. So we know that 8 times 3 equals 24. So we write it out. I'm just opening my pen app because I had to restart my computer. But we put 8 times 3 equals 24. For the next one, we put 3 times 8. And then the commutative property tells us that it's still 24. So we have 8 times 3 equals 24, and 3 times 8 equals 24. Now down here, we're going to do the opposite, which is division, just like we talked about yesterday. So our total is the beginning. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Pause it if you need the notes. Subtraction. Stack your subtraction. Now this is something that you should probably be able to do. Do with your brain, like just thinking about it. So 4686 minus something equals 4586. So if you were subtracting, 6 minus what equals 6? 0. 8 minus what equals 8? 0. 6 minus what equals 5? 1. 4 minus what equals 4? 0. So they took away 100. So I did it wrong by setting it up like this because I was like not even thinking about the blank. So in this case, you could be imagining that they're taking away something to make this. Now, when you look at it, you can see that the 6 is the only thing that changed. So they took away 1 from the 6, which is 100. Next, write a multiplication sentence for the following array. So when we look at this array, it shows us that we have 3 rows of 1. So 3 groups of 1. And since we have 3 groups of 1, that's going to be 3 times 1 equals 3. That brings us to the repeated addition portion, which again, 3 times 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, because it's 3 groups of 1. For the addition problem, we have 3,412 added something equals 3,512. What number changed? The 4 changed. So what did they add? They added 1 to the 4, which is 100. For our word problem, it says there are 4 waiters serving 3 tables each. Each tells us to multiply or divide. It says how many tables do they serve all together? So if it's asking for a total, we need to multiply because we don't have a total. So we have 4 times 3 equals 12 tables. And then finally, the car dealer has cars for sale. They have 9 different cars. That's a total. And 4 different colors for each car. Okay, so there's not a total. We have 4 different cars and 9 color cars and 4 different colors for each. So this is a multiplication problem because they want to find the number of cars, the total. So they need to find the total. So since they need to find the total, we have 9 times 4 equals what? All right. So that is it. Hopefully you had a successful moment with that and you can turn it in. And then I'll see you guys for our social studies project. Promise.